I've been running a faceless YouTube channel for the past 60 days, getting hundreds of thousands of views. But honestly, I could have done it way faster if I knew what I know now. In this video, I'm gonna break it all down so you can do the same. Big mistake people make is treating their channel like a random upload photo instead of a brand. You need to pick a niche that you like and commit to it. That way, YouTube knows exactly who to show your videos to. Once you've got your niche, make your channel look clean and consistent. Use the same fonts, colors, and styles for everything. If design isn't your thing, use Canva or Midjourney to make a logo and a banner. Throwing out random videos and hoping for the best? Yeah, that doesn't work. Instead, look at what's really going on in your niche. Find the big channels, see what's blowing up, and take notes. Use YouTube search to find the top performing videos in your niche. Look at the ones with tons of views in a short time. Once you've got a few solid examples, take the best ideas and put your own spin on them.
Einstein, oh my god!
When you're just starting out, speed matters more than perfection. Get into a workflow where you can pump out videos consistently and improve over time. Here's a simple format to follow. Start with a strong hook to grab attention. Keep the pace fast, use quick cuts and snappy subtitles to grab people's attention. Throw in sound effects and background music to keep it engaging. Once you've got the basics down, you can start tweaking things like transitions, animations, and improve your editing to make each video better than the last. After you have posted about 10-15 videos, it's time to check what's actually working. Head to YouTube Analytics and focus on 3 things: views, which videos are getting the most traction; retention, how long are people sticking around; and swipe rate, are people skipping or watching. Rewatch your best videos and figure out what makes them different. Make a success formula, a set of things that consistently make your videos perform better. Apply that formula to your future videos, tweak as needed, and keep leveling up. At first, I tried shorts, thinking they would blow up my channel, but after testing things out, I realized they weren't driving the results I wanted. So I shifted my focus to long-form videos, and that's when things really started clicking. The best performing videos are great editing and hooks that keep people watching. By focusing on those elements, I started seeing way better growth. If you want to grow a faceless YouTube channel, you gotta be strategic. Find what works, double down on it, and be ready to tweak things as you go. If you made it this far, I can see that you're serious about making money with faceless YouTube channels. Join my YouTube Discord community and let's grow a channel together.